Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Og channel. Rugged, reliable, and unmistakably American. Today, we're taking a trip back to 1980 to revisit a true icon of the off-road world, the Dodge W Series 4X4. Built for utility, known for durability, and wrapped in good old-fashioned steel, this truck was made to work, and built to last. Exterior. In 1980, the Dodge W Series, also known as the Power Wagon in earlier years, was the 4X4 counterpart to the rear-wheel drive D Series. At first glance, it's pure, squared-off utility. This was an era where trucks didn't pretend to be luxury SUVs, they were tools first and foremost. Up front, you've got that bold, rectangular grille with dual-sealed beam headlights, classic 80s American truck styling. The body lines are sharp and muscular, with minimal overhangs, ideal for off-roading or farm work. Steel bumpers front and rear, manual locking hubs, and big, beefy fender flares give the W Series a no-nonsense look. Many models came with a long bed, perfect for hauling, and the bed floor was reinforced to take a beating. Depending on the model, the W Series came in W150, W250, and W350 trims, representing half-ton to 1-ton capacities. Interior. Inside, the W Series cabin was basic, but honest. Vinyl bench seats were standard, with optional cloth upholstery in higher trims. Forget touchscreens and Bluetooth, this is strictly AM, FM radio and manual everything. The dash layout is utilitarian, with large, easy-to-read gauges, speedometer, fuel, oil pressure, amps, and temperature. If you're lucky, there might be a factory tachometer or a CB radio tucked under the dash. The floor-mounted transfer case shifter is a reminder that this is a real 4X4, no electronic buttons here. It's raw, mechanical engagement. Cabin space is tight by today's standards, but for 1980, it was a solid work environment. No frills, just function. Performance. Under the hood, the W Series offered a range of engines. The base engine was the legendary 225 cubic inch SLANT6, known for its bulletproof reliability. But most buyers opted for one of the available version 8s. The available engines included the 225 cubic inch SLANT6, 318 cubic inch V8, 360 cubic inch V8, and even some big blocks like the 400 and 440 cubic inch version 8s in earlier years. Power output ranged from about 95 horsepower on the SLANT6 to over 200 horsepower with the bigger version 8s, plenty of grunt for towing, hauling, or climbing hills. Transmissions included a 4-speed manual or the optional 3-speed TorqueFlite automatic. Paired with solid Dana axles, leaf spring suspension, and part-time 4-wheel drive, the W Series was a capable off-roader even in stock form. Depending on the model and configuration, payload capacities ranged from 1,500 to over 3,000 pounds, with towing capacities easily exceeding 7,000 pounds with the right setup. The 1980 Dodge W Series 4X4 isn't just a truck. It's a statement from an era when durability trumped convenience, and trucks were built to be tough, not trendy. It's loud, it's bumpy, and it won't win any races, but it will get the job done, every time. Whether you're a collector, a restorer, or just a fan of old-school American iron, the W Series is a reminder of what a real truck used to be. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this blast from the past, hit that like button, subscribe for more classic truck content, and let us know in the comments, would you drive a 1980 Dodge W Series today?